Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva variables for bulk design automation step by step. Canva variables allow you to automatically replace text, images, or other elements across multiple designs, which is perfect for social media campaigns or marketing materials. First, go to canva.com and log in or create a free account. You need an account to access templates and variable features. Once logged in, choose a template for your project, like Instagram posts, posters, or flyers. Templates give you a base design to apply your variables. Click on the text or image element you want to automate, then click Use Variable. This converts the element into a variable that can be replaced automatically later. Upload a CSV file or manually enter values for your variables. Each row in the CSV corresponds to a different design iteration. Your designs will update automatically based on your data. Once your variables are set, preview how each design will look. Click through different iterations to make sure everything appears correctly. When ready, click Download or Share. Choose the format PNG, JPG, or PDF, and Canva will generate all versions automatically. This saves hours compared to manually editing each design. Pro tips: keep your variable names consistent, double-check your CSV, and use high-quality images. These small steps make your bulk designs look polished and professional. And that's how to use Canva variables for bulk design automation in 2026. If this guide helped you save time and create multiple designs quickly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.